In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable dual SIM in your Samsung Galaxy A07 phone. Now, the first thing you have to do is open up your settings app. After that, just go to connections option and then go to SIM manager. And that's it. You can see there are two SIM cards in my phone, SIM 1 and 2. And now you can see dual SIM is enabled. If you want to disable one SIM from here, just tap on this icon, then tap on turn off. And that's it. You can see one SIM has been disabled successfully, but you cannot disable both SIM at a time. Suppose if you want to disable SIM 2, at first you have to enable SIM 1, then tap on turn on. Now just tap here to disable SIM 2, then tap on turn off again, and it's done. And that is how you can enable or disable dual SIM in your Samsung Galaxy A07 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.